Today's performance in the Maritime Museum for breakfast was completely improvised by me. I'm working with the dancer or performance artist Peter McRae, and we do rehearse, we make a little plan, but essentially every show is completely different, and what we're doing is reacting to the space that we're in, the building that we're in, the audience who's there, the type of people are there, the mood of the weather. All these things influence the different ways that Peter moves around the building and the different ways that I play. Oh, I think it's amazing. I think it's one of the best festivals because, well, in many reasons. One is there are so many different locations used. This morning is a great example of that. We're using this beautiful building, which anybody can walk into any time in Aberdeen. It's absolutely free to come in, but it does encourage you to use the space when there's a concert here, as well as getting a chance to listen to what some of the creative people in Britain are making in terms of music and theatre and art.
Absolutely delightful, and it was different, and the setting is absolutely marvellous, and I hope they do it again.
So which part was your favourite?
I think I really enjoyed the idea of being led by the Pied Piper through the museum, past lots of my favourite exhibits, and yet led on to where the real music was happening. Yes, I have last year, and I've been to the operas this year, and concerts in King's Chapel, and several other bits and pieces. I think it's a wonderful idea, because it gets new things shown to people, so that they get the opportunity to see what is new, and say, do I like the new stuff? Or would I really much rather have Maritime?
Hello, I'm Matthew Whiteside. I'm a composer based in Glasgow. My music is broadly classical. I do bits and pieces of film and installation work as well. I quite often use live electronics in my music, so the piece today was for viola d'amore and live electronics. The live electronic element of this piece is controlled by Emma using a pressure sensor on her finger, which we developed together over the last about year or so, and that controls the ring modulation that's on the viola d'amore, and it means you can use it really expressively within the piece.
We worked on this piece together, but he actually wrote all the notes as his piece. And so I work with a lot of other composers like Matthew, and I improvise, so that would be my own bits of what I make, and I improvise on my instruments.
The Sound Festival is exceptionally important to new music in Scotland because it's the only festival dedicated to contemporary music in the country. Sound also gives some great opportunities for commissioning and performance. So for the last 5 years I've been in Scotland, and I've had at least one piece in sound every single year, so it's quite a nice platform to get my music heard.